Go to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select the blank presentation. Select and delete those text. Go to the browser. Type fish tank clip art. Select any fish tank. Copy and paste it on the presentation. Again, go to the browser and type table clip art. Select any table and copy it. And then paste it on the presentation. Select the fish tank and send to front. Click Picture Format. Press Color and click Set Transparent. Again, go to the browser and type Fish Clip Art. Select any fish and copy. Paste it on the presentation. Select Picture Format. Go to Color and Set Transparent. Now here copy-paste the process to create duplicate fish tanks. Slightly move the fish inside the tank. Go to Home and click Circle to create water drops as if the fish splashed into the tank. Copy and paste those water drops to make those drops fall on the table. You have to move them. For each movement of fish and the water drops, you have to create each duplicate presentation. Continue the same process until water drops on the table. Move the fish in the tank to show its movement. Remember, for each movement of the fish or drops, you have to duplicate or copy paste in the presentation. Now go to the browser and type Fish Food Clip Art. Select any fish food, copy and paste it on the presentation. Select Color and set Transparent Color.
Go to Shape again and select the circle shape. Add brown color to the circle. Move them up. Rotate the fish food jar like it's pouring the food. Duplicate the presentation for each movement of fish and fish food. Move the fish. Continue the process. Now, fish food inside the jar. Move the fish so it can eat the fish food. While the fish is eating its food, delete the brown circles. While you are deleting, it looks like the fish is eating the food. Move the fish. Now go to slideshow and click setup slideshow. Now click browse at kiosk and click OK. Lastly, click from beginning after clicking rehearse timing. Look and enjoy the show! Don't forget to subscribe to N Sisters Fun World. Thank you!